Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class 4 and today's topic is a scenery of a sunny day. Do you know what is the sunny day? Sunny days means when sun light all the day very nicely. Okay, this one is sunny day. So everyone look at the screen. This one is your HW also. I have already mentioned that is your HW. Okay, so everyone look at this. I have already drawn a box. You won't draw this box on your copy. Okay, again I will say that no one will draw this box on your copy. You just margin on your box on your copy and write down the topic name and HW number and lecture number. Lecture number also 3 and your HW number is 2. Now I will show you how to draw this scenery. Just remember this, when you draw a scenery, you just divided your page where you have drawn the separate or several things. Okay. Now first you will draw, I will draw the tree. When you copy my drawing, you must watch where I have placed the topics. Okay, where I place the subjects. Look, I have drawn the tree first, and this one is the place from down to just little bit up on this down. Okay, this one is the jackfruit tree. Okay, you won't get so much time to draw a detail, just a little bit detail by giving this leaves and using these fruits. You know that how to draw the jackfruit. Okay, and then I will show you how to draw a house. Just draw a house like this. And draw another house like this. When you go to the village, or when you will go to the village, you can watch that a lot of houses has haystack. Okay, haystacks. Now I will draw the haystacks behind the house. Okay, and after that I will give the far village behind the house like this. Okay. And though I have mentioned first that sunny day, I must draw a sun. And for detailing, I have used here some banana tree. Okay, and give a road. And give here another house. All of you already know that how to draw a house because you are class 4 student. And if you have any problem, you can pause my class when you watch. Pausing and watching. Okay, now I will show you a figure which is running figure. First, give the circle. After that, give a little bit and just use a box like this. It's not so tough, it's so much easy. And give here a hand, and give here the another hand, and give the lower portion and the leg. Okay, though here is the sun, you will use a, okay, here I didn't use hand, you will use the umbrella, and it is all of this type of line and detail on umbrella. And this one is the here. That means this hand is in front of this. So dear student, now I will brief you which type of color I have used on this scenery. If you want, you can draw here another tree, more and more tree. If you have time, you can draw a lot. Okay, now look at the screen. I have colored a picture for you very easily by pencil color. Okay, just use light sky color, that means light blue. Here is the sun's light, burn the color, so that I didn't use here any kinds of color. Just leave the space white and color the deep places. Okay, on the tree you know that common color, first use the yellow, lemon yellow, deep green, and for more deep you will give the blue color. Here the same color, and on this house I have used very light color, very light yellow, and here I have used skin color, and this one is the deep yellow, and for the far village I have used here light green and deep green. And this house is the same color of these houses, and on the path, that means the road, I have used here burnt sienna, that means brown color, and here I have used yellow and lemon green color and some deep blue for the grass. And this space, that means the tree's figure, I have used here brown, deep brown and black color also. And on the jackfruit, you know that the jackfruit's color, if you want, you can give here deep green, otherwise or this you can use here the ochre, yellow ochre, that means the deep yellow or mix with some orange color. Okay, and sun, you know that what is the sun's color, yellow and orange. I mix here yellow and orange and give here yellow and orange rays, and this trees is the same color. So dear student, on the figure I have used here the red and blue. Look, left some white space, and here use the skin color, and the umbrella's color is brown and orange. If you want, you can use another color or which you wish. This one is your HW. So dear student, watch this class very carefully for your better drawing, and practice. Every day you will practice at least one time this scenery, and then do your HW and submit at your school every Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.